Hey, welcome to Elektrobox. I'm Jacob and in today's project we are building a LED matrix picture frame. For this build I will reuse leftover parts from my Elektroclock project. While working with the LED matrix displays, I noticed that multiple panels can be chained together. So I thought it would be a fun idea to use two of them as a pixel art picture frame. I started by designing a mount to align and connect both LED matrix panels. To keep the build simple, I decided to use a 3D printed backplate with mounting holes. This plate holds both displays in the correct position and makes the whole frame more stable. First I took all the measurements from the LED matrix panels. Then I designed the mounting plate in Blender and prepared it for 3D printing. While the mount is printing, let's take a quick look at how the electronics work. The goal is simple. I want to connect two LED matrix panels, mount them neatly next to each other and display a custom pixel art image using an ESP32. The picture will be stored as a RGB 565 bitmap. The ESP32 reads the bitmap data and sends it to the chained LED matrix panels, so the image appears across both displays. You can find the full code, wiring and a more detailed explanation on my website elektrobox.ch. The link is in the description. For this project I can reuse a leftover PCB, some leftover wires and leftover displays from the Elektroclock project. This makes the wiring much easier because the basic connection between the ESP32 and the LED matrix panels is already prepared. If you want a more detailed explanation, check out the Elektroclock project. There I explain the matrix display setup in more detail. The important part here is that the panels are chained together. The ESP32 controls the first panel and the image data continues from the first display to the second one. After connecting everything, I tested both displays with a small Arduino IDE sketch. At first I noticed some dead pixels and a pixel alignment issue. The alignment issue was later fixed in the final code, so the image is displayed correctly across both panels. Next I built the prototype case in the same style as the Elektroclock. This gives the project a cleaner look and makes the display easier to use as a small picture frame. To make the image creation process easier, I also created a Python script. This script converts a normal picture into a 64x64 RGB 565 bitmap that can be used by the ESP32. The script is also available on my website together with the final Arduino code. And that's the finished LED matrix picture frame. If you enjoyed this project, feel free to check out my other electronics builds on Elektrobox. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, have a great day and see you next time.